Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Chun and I am excited to be your music teacher this year. To my students from Harwood and Searsma, welcome back. I'm glad I have you for another year. To my new students at Green Acres, I'm excited to be your teacher while we are doing remote learning, and I'm looking forward to having lots of fun together. I wanted to use this video to tell you a little bit about myself and just give you some information that might be helpful while we're doing remote learning. This is my 7th year of teaching, and I love having a job where I get to come in and sing, dance, play instruments. I get to have a lot of fun every day. When I'm not at school, I love to spend time with my family, spend time with my pets. I have 6 pets. I have 2 cats, 2 dogs, and 2 ferrets, and so they keep me really busy. Other than that, I also really love to read, and I love to bake. I love making pies and other sweet treats that people can enjoy and share. While we're working in remote learning this year, please feel free to reach out if you need any help with your music assignments. The best way to contact me is through email, and my email will be listed on my Schoology page so that it's easy to find. Anything else, please let me know if I can help you. I'll do my best. And I hope everyone had a wonderful summer and is ready for a really fun and exciting school year.